If you wear an Apple Watch or a Fitbit or any kind of smartwatch, you know they're big, slightly industrial looking, very casual, but my next guest says they can still look pretty, even dressed up. Taunya Olsen with Honey and Ice Jewelry says a smartwatch doesn't have to mess up your arm party, as you call it. I love it.
It totally doesn't.
Don't mess up the arm party. In fact, you say we can enhance the look in easy ways.
Oh, totally. This is one of my top questions that I get when we're talking about styling our arms, styling our bracelets. So I have it two ways. One, super simple, just wear it on your other arm, right? It is about the same width as you wear here.
Okay, balance it out.
Just balance it out.
Yeah.
But if you want to get fun with it, you can change your watch band. I mean, I always wear my sports watch band, but some people really like a higher quality. And so put one on that has more of a chain link on it. There's so many different ones.
What are some good sources for prettier bands?
Okay, you can get like any band you want, I swear, even on Amazon. So
okay.
$8, like super, super cheap. You can get multi-packs. These ones are all in multi-packs. But you can get super fancy with diamonds. You can get, like, you can go from $8 clear up to, I mean, thousands of dollars.
I feel like I'm the last person on the planet that doesn't, I don't have a smartwatch. Hey. I don't have a smartwatch.
That's okay, that's okay. But you know what? But a lot of times it's because people think that they're just too big and bulky. But they're not. Like, watch how fun this is to just mix it in. Okay, so say I have all of these, and you know, just mix it in.
Just
match
throw it right in there.
And the color, you can color coordinate.
Okay.
If you like the colors, make it fun. Or you can even do it like, just do it fancy and have more of the chain link if you're just one of the people that like the golds and silvers and you're not wearing a lot of colors.
You told my producer you like the stretchies too. What does that mean?
I do love stretchies. Here's why I like stretchies. Okay, so stretchies, if you're, okay, so say you have your watch band on this wrist and you have the little teeny bracelets that go underneath. If you wear something bigger on each side of it, then it helps just so that the things don't get stuck underneath it. That's another reason people say that they don't like wearing it with their other bracelets.
The more dainty bracelets get trapped underneath that big heavy head.
It just helps.
So the stretchies on either side acts as a buffer to protect your more delicate chains there too. All right, well, Taunya, thank you so much. Where can we shop all of these pretties?
Okay, honeyandIce.com. So,
All right, we'll meet you there. Thank you, sister.